Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are slowly coming to the decisive area of this rising wedge. As long as the days go, as the time keeps ticking, you are reaching the end of it. Now what is going to happen, you really have to be careful, because then again, the pattern here is not a bullish one. The divergence here is not even good anymore, so be careful. But hey, wait for the break. The break has not happened. Just wait for the break, because when the break is going to happen, then we're going to see what really goes on in the future. Now of course, by the end of the month, you're going to have the squeeze happening. So we still had a little bit of a pending target up to 4158, which has not really happened. So what I see is probably a little bit of a pump here, touch this target, and maybe if you just want to break down, you may actually break down. But as soon as you come up here, you will make the ultimate decision, because as soon as you touch this area, you have the choice of breaking above and continuing higher, invalidating all that huge rising wedge. Okay, so you break above the rising wedge and you go upside, or you just really, the worst case scenario is you break below and you actually go and fall down to where this started. And I just want to warn you, because in the future you may actually see this thing falling, and that's going to be a 58% move to the upside. That means if you have $100, $58 is just going to go away just like that, right? And it's a pattern, of course, here, right? And that's why I'm doing the TA for you. But again, today is 21, so 9 to 10 more days, and we're gonna get to know what exactly happens. And either way, just be prepared for the worst, and I just hope that the best happens. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.